How to change language in Aniwatch. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can change language in Aniwatch. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open a browser in your device and then go to aniwatchtv.to. After that you need to log into your account. After you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now tap on settings from this menu box. Now under settings, if you scroll down a bit, there you have an option that says language for enemy name. There you get only two options, either to change it to English or to Japanese. If you like to change it to Japanese, you can select the second option, or if you like to change it to English, choose English. And after that, your language will be changed in aniwatchtv.to. So that's how you can change language in Aniwatch, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.